Hey, good morning, guys. I just visited my brother protest today, and did I ask you to talk? So I've just seen a homeless person outside there, and I'm going to visit him. Yeah, visiting my brother in town, so I'm going to visit him. I'm going to see the homeless guy outside there from the balcony. Can you see? Sorry. Can you see somebody sleeping there? Somebody sleeping there. So I'm thinking they cook. Protest cooked. Girlfriend cooked chapati yesterday. So I'm going to get like two chapatis or one. Then I can get a milk. I have little few coins in my pocket, even if I don't have. So I'll have to use what I have. Also to give to someone else, because that can change the life of someone. Yeah, yesterday I was so down. I was so depressed yesterday. My life was feeling like it will never work out again, because it has passed 2 days. I haven't had any meal. So, and visiting all my brothers and getting some content from them, it has helped me to overcome my personal challenge. So I want to go down there and get that guy a breakfast. So right, I'm heading there. Okay. Hi. Morning. Yaje. Eh. Kiamka unyoroshe hiyo, si ndio? Poa poa. Yeah, that makes me like remembering. I once told you like I was in the street, I slept like that. And someone changed my life by giving me food, just food. They got me from the street, and what is it?